Hello, welcome along to this video where I want to take a look at what's been included in the 0.2.1 release of the ClipImg extension for Visual Studio Code. So in this release, it's a bug fix release, so there's a small issue with regard to the content type that's set for an image when it's uploaded into the Azure storage account. So the reason that this came up is that Matthias had found that the images on our own README weren't showing up properly. So we're using the extension. We're doing a little bit of dog fooding here. So what we were seeing is that even though we were correctly pasting in this and the URL was working correctly, the image wasn't showing up correctly when rendered within GitHub. So what we found is that in order for images to flow through GitHub correctly, the content type had to be set correctly. So what happened was that Matthias made a slight modification to how the image is imported and sent up to the Azure storage account, and with that in play, the images then flowed through correctly into GitHub. So it was a small change, but it was something that needed to be fixed. So that was it. That's all that was included in this release. If you've got any questions about this, feel free to reach out on Twitter. I'm at Get13, or if you've got any issues specifically about the extension, or you want to see new features into the extension, feel free to reach out and create an issue on GitHub. Thank you very much.